Ambi, how are you today? Today we will take a new lesson in the GK book. Okay, here we have the rainy day. The lesson is about a rainy day, a rainy day, a rainy day, a rainy day. As we can see here, we have black clouds or dark clouds. We have dark clouds here. We have dark clouds, dark clouds, dark clouds, dark clouds, dark clouds. These dark clouds, if they get so heavy, they drop the water as rain. Okay, so here we can see rain. Rain is falling from the sky. Okay, so here we can see rain, 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 rain. We can wear in the raincoat. We can wear if we want to walk in the rain. We can wear a raincoat and hold umbrella to protect us from the rain. If we walk in the rain, we may get or catch cold. Okay, so it's not so good to walk under the rain. Okay, so we can also see the trees. We can also see the trees. The rain water the trees. Rain waters the trees. Rain waters the trees. Okay, or the plants in general. So rain waters plants. Rain waters plants. Rain waters plants. Okay, and also we wear in the rain boots. We sometimes wear boots. Okay, to protect us from the water on the ground. Okay, so again, it's a rainy day. It's a rainy day. We can see rain falling from the dark clouds. Rain, 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 falling from the dark clouds. Dark clouds, dark clouds, dark clouds. Rain also waters the plants. Rain waters the plants. Rain waters the plants. Rain waters the plants like the trees here. Okay, we can wear boots, raincoat, and hold umbrella to protect us from rain. To protect us from rain. To protect us from rain. Okay, I want you to study them well. Okay, see you soon. Bye.